Hello children, how are you all? I hope all are doing fine. So today in English, we will be continuing with the vowel sounds. In last class, we had already learned the sound A and E. So today we will learn with sound I sound. We will learn the vowel I. So let's begin. What is this? Zip. What is this? Zip. Z-I-P. The I sound is there now. Good. So this is zip. Z-I-P. Zip. What is this? Nib. N-I-B. Nib. See, I sound is there now. Good. N-I-B. Nib. N-I-B. Nib. Then you have kid. What is this? Kid. K-I-D. Kid. K-I-D. Kid. Then you had sip. S-I-P. Sip. S-I-P. Sip. Then you have pin. What you have? Pin. P-I-N. Pin. P-I-N. Pin. And what is this? Pig. P-I-G. Pig. P-I-G. Pig. Then you have bin. B-I-N. Bin. B-I-N. Bin. B-I-N. Bin. Next you have lid. L-I-D. Lid. L-I-D. Lid. Then you have fig. F-I-G. Fig. F-I-G. Fig. Then you have hid. H-I-D. Hid. H-I-D. Hid. Then you have dig. What do you have? Dig. D-I-G. Dig. D-I-G. Dig. Then you have lips. What is this? Lips. L-I-P-S. Lips. L-I-P-S. Lips. Then you have fish. What is this? Fish. F-I-S-H. Fish. What is this? F-I-S-H. Fish. So children, these are the words. These are the I sound words. So you have to learn all these word spellings. आपको ये सारे words के spellings learn करने हैं. Sound A, sound E and sound I के भी ये तीनों sound के spellings आपको learn करने हैं. And I hope all are doing their homework on time. So today your homework. So today's homework in your English copy, E-copy. आज आपका homework in E-copy में you have the words of sound I. The words of sound I. I words I sound के words हैं. Look at there. There is zip. Z-I-P. Zip. P-I-N. Pin. F-I-G. Fig. B-I-N. Bin. N-I-B. Nib. L-I-P. Lip. F-I-S-H. Fish. So these are the words of sound I. You have to write the heading, the words of sound I, write homework, write today's date and draw this diagram. आपको ये draw करना है picture और इनकी spellings लिखनी है. Understood children? So you have to draw this picture and write their spelling in your E-copy. In your E-copy.